magnetic lights in the blue haze, magnifying glass upon my face. It's so hot, I've been melting down here. I'm made out of plastic out here. You touched down in the base of my fears. Houston, can you hear? And we both had to harness our pain, close it and hope it decays. Oh, inhale and I'm up and away, up and away. I love those mornings when the sun's up, smoking in the lobby, waiting for my name to pop up, yeah, pop up. Usually I'd run home and tuck the issue under. Oh, sleeping with my worries, yeah. I didn't really know what that lamp was. My love, it's so hot, I've been melting out here. I'm made out of plastic out here. You touched down in the base of my face, and that's where your beauty appears. It's so hot, I've been melting out here. I'm made out of plastic out here. You touched down in the base of my face. Houston, can you hear me now? They know what the scarecrow is. It's like outer space and his inner ears. And like a blossom you opened up and understood why you could not love. Oh, it's so hot, I've been melting out here. I'm made out of plastic out here. You touched down in the base of my face. Houston, can you hear that I've been melting down here. I'm made out of plastic out here. You touched down in the base of my face. Houston, can you hear me now?
I worked my way over into the sunlight here without looking directly into the sun.
Sky high deflating, that is. Thriving off your lessons. Yes, you are my lantern. Shy like house around my ears. The more you speak, the more I see. The more your light grows upon me, and the more it grows. The closer I think you are, the closer I think you are to seeing me whole. What if you don't like what you see? Silhouettes inside a dream. And I'm melting from the light, one drip at a time. I'm melting from the light, one drip at a time.